Four people from Hyderabad lost 21 lakh rupees for eSIM activation fraud. Criminals made the victims activate their eSIMs and then stole money from their bank accounts. It all started with a simple message saying that their SIM is gonna get blocked or you have to update your KYC or something similar like that. The cybercrime wing of Maharashtra also issued an advisory regarding the eSIM scams that have been going in Maharashtra. Now let's find out how they work. The victims usually receive a message saying that your SIM card is going to be blocked. Dear customer, your SIM card will be blocked in 24 hours, or please update your eKYC verification. After the message is received by the victim, the fraudsters try to call the victim pretending that they are the company's customer care executive. They say they are either from Airtel, Reliance Jio or Vodafone Idea companies, etc. Then comes the email/link in your normal message. Just like a normal company message, you will receive a similar message from that same number, exact number, and you will be given a link which you have to click on and fill a form. This link is actually a registration of the fraudster's email ID to your bank accounts. Once you click on the link and fill on your details, this will automatically be linked to the fraudster's email ID. Your bank account will be linked to fraudster's email ID, and you will not be receiving any OTPs when a transaction is made. When you click on the link, you will be given a message if you want to activate your SIM as an eSIM. Their fraudsters will ask you to click on that, and that will make their email ID as your SIM card, and you will not be receiving any OTPs for any transaction that is going to happen in your bank account. When you click on the link, you will be getting a form, and in this form you will be asked to fill on your name and your banking details. Once the eSIM gets activated, there will be a QR code that will be sent to your mobile number, but since your mobile number has become an eSIM and it has been linked to his email ID, he will be receiving the QR code and he will be confirming that he has made your mobile number as an eSIM and you will be using an eSIM from now. Fraudsters then activate eSIM on their devices and they start using your mobile number and your bank account which is linked to your mobile number. Once the eSIM gets activated, your SIM card which is physically present in your phone will be disabled, will be blocked, since you have confirmed to make your SIM as an eSIM which is linked to an email that is his email. Fraudsters can now access any bank account that is related to that is linked to your mobile number, and they will link your bank account to their wallets, online wallets, which does not show where the money has been transferred, and that is how they scam all the money from your bank account. So please be aware of what all the messages you are getting, and please confirm it with the customer care, the actual customer care that you are going. You can just go and ask some other retailer who is giving you a SIM card to confirm if your SIM is actually getting blocked. Please do not believe whatever you get as a message, and stay safe. I hope this video is gonna make you think twice before you believe a message that is coming from customer care or something like that. But yeah, please be safe, please keep your account safe, and if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so you can just tell them to be safe as well. And if you're new around this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video, and see you guys in the next one.